Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can create a digital product in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix and then just click here on Store Products. And when you're going to be here, you're going to be in Products and you want to click on New Product, right? Now right here you can have like digital file or physical, so I'm going to click digital file. Now I'll just upload the file here and I will add like document, audio file, image or zip file. That's like really up to you. I can add image, and let's say that I'm going to upload Baby Yoda here. See that I'm going to upload a picture of Baby Yoda and I'm going to sell Baby Yoda. So when I have it, I will add to product. Now I can add a product name and name it Baby Yoda. You can have add a ribbon if you want to. Then you get like price here, like 80 whatever, right? And just add, you can also add it on sale. And description, simple. You can also additional info selection that you can add videos about it. Then you get like inventory shipping, but it's like on off, because if it's a digital product, you're gonna not have track inventory, but you can if you get like electronic ebook. And then you have collections here that you can create if you want to. And then you can like create a coupon here that you can like create also. So yep. And now you can like edit SEO settings, that you can like change the URL of the product. You can share the product or you can sell an email campaign. So this is pretty much it. And now you click save here. And voila, here you got it. So this is how you can simply create a digital product. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and goodbye.